Ahoy, treasure seekers. The seas of the E-mini S&P 500 futures has been pillaging profits from some and rewarding others. Off the waves, the last 5 hours. First filling our booty chests, then seeing the tide turn on us. Batten down the hatches as we chart a course through these choppy waters. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,957. The crow's nest where lookouts scan for incoming treasure. If the ship sails above, we are in open waters. Value area low, VAL, 6,947. The sturdy oak of the gun deck. A breach here means the hull is taking on water from the depths. Point of control, POC, 6,950. The captain's quarters where most of the plundered gold changed hands today. Support zone, 6,941 to 6,947. A hidden cove where the fleet regroups for safety. Resistance, zone, 6,957 to 6,965. A line of enemy frigates standing between us and the horizon. Single prints, escape paths, lower, 6,941 to 6,943. A narrow strait between the rocks, rarely navigated by heavy merchant ships. Upper, 6,963 to 6,965. The peak of a rogue wave. If we crest it, prepare for a full sail chase. Market context. The current chart looks like a map to buried treasure, with price drifting like a ghost ship between 6,941 and 6,965. No clear wind has filled the sails yet, leaving us in a balancing doldrum. The crew's morale, as shown by CVD, is slightly mutinous with more sellers than buyers, though the ship remains afloat near the POC. It is a session of steady tides and hidden currents, sideways chop with bearish waves. 3-day voyage through the archipelago. Day 3, February 24th, POC 6,863. High, 6,913. Low, 6,828. The crew was barely out of the harbor. Day 2, February 25th, POC 6,906. High, 6,984. Low, 6,892. A strong gale pushed the fleet toward the northern islands. Day 1, February 26th. POC 6,950. High, 6,965. Low, 6,941. The anchor is dropped as the ships balance in the bay. Value has climbed the rigging over 3 sessions. Today, balancing just below the 6,960 mark. Acceptance above the crow's nest at VAH would crown a continuation of the voyage. Failure to hold the gun deck at VAL invites a long drop to the ocean floor. Volume analysis, cumulative volume delta, CVD breakdown. Session open. CVD negative 5,586 contracts. Our pirate day began with a heavy volley of cannon fire from the sellers. Intraday peak. Buying, CVD climbed to negative 3,435. A brief boarding party of buyers trying to seize the deck. Current CVD, negative 5,986 net negative 400 from open, meaning the privateers have reclaimed control over the last few bells. Intraday low. CVD, low, negative 8,013. A moment where the crew almost abandoned ship under selling pressure. Interpretation. Aggressive sell-side delta is guarding the gangplank. Any rally will need a fresh chest of gold to push past the VAH. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone. Near the gun deck at VAL. 6,941 to 6,947. Stop loss. Below the hidden cove at approximately 6,937. 4 points, or ATR below entry. Profit target. Initial target at the captain's quarters, 6,950. Major target at the crow's nest, 6,957. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of the crow's nest at VAH, 6,957 to 6,965. Stop loss. Above the widow's peak at approximately 6,969 or ATR above entry. Profit target, POC, 6,950 for first partial, then the gun deck at VAL, 6,947. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended reef after the first bounty is secured. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above VAH. Buccaneers torch through the high rigging at 6,957. Setup. Enter long above 6,957 with stop at 6,950. POC. Target 6,970 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B. Rejection at VAH. The enemy frigates roar and slam the ship back down from 6,957 to 6,965. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,966. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. Price breaches the sturdy oak at 6,947. Setup. Short a break below 6,947. Stop above 6,951. Recent swing high. Target 6,935 single print area. Scenario D. Value bounce. Price dips into the hull at VAL but finds life. Buyers sniff out hidden rum. Setup. Long at 6,947. Stop at 6,941. Target POC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.